In this video, I'll show you how to install and configure Microsoft SQL Server 2025 and how to connect SQL Server Management Studio, the command prompt, VS Code, and Visual Studio to your server. If you're a student or just getting started with databases, this video covers all the basics you need. So, first you need to download and install SQL Server, all the links in the description. Select Enterprise Developer Edition, which is free and includes the full feature set. Then go to your Downloads folder and run the installer. Choose Custom. Here's the download path for the installation package and click Install. Here you can check the documentation or start the installation. If you already have an older version of SQL Server, you can upgrade it to 2025. If not, select Install a new standalone SQL Server instance. Our edition is Enterprise Developer. Accept the terms, enable updates, and click Next. I recommend installing only the essential features like database engine services, replication, and full-text search. You can always add more later if needed. Leave the default instance name as is. Make sure the database engine is set to automatic startup. And check this box. In the authentication mode, select Mixed Mode and set a password for the SQL Server Administrator. Then click Add Current User for Windows Authentication. Click Next and then Install. Once the installation is complete, close the Installation Center. Next, we need to download and install SQL Server Management Studio, which is a graphical interface for managing your SQL databases. It's a very convenient and powerful tool with lots of useful features, even if you prefer using VS Code. Here, select the components you need. I use all of them, AI assistance wouldn't hurt, then click Install. Once installed, open SSMS and let's connect it to our SQL Server. For the server name, just type localhost, select SQL Server Authentication, enter the System Administrator username SA, and then enter your server password. Check these boxes and click Connect. From here, you can create new databases, run queries, add tables, or manage existing ones. To connect to SQL Server from the command prompt for scripting, testing, or admin task, simply run this command: sqlcmd-s server name -u username -p your server password. From here, you can run queries, execute scripts, and manage your databases. Now let's add SQL Server to Visual Studio. This allows you to browse, create, and manage SQL Server databases directly inside Visual Studio, making it easier to develop applications that use SQL Server as their backend. Go to View and select SQL Server Object Explorer. Then click the plus icon and use the same credentials we used in SSMS. Here you can see your database and everything inside it. And finally, if you want to connect VS Code to your SQL Server, first install the official Microsoft extension called SQL Server. Then click the SQL Server icon, click Add Connection, and use the same authentication details as before. Click Connect. Here's our demo database and its table. So, hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments.